Hi, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 3 Active, and I'm gonna show you how to install additional watch faces on this device. If we open the watch face menu on our watch by pressing and holding on the screen, like this, here we have the list of watch faces, and as you can see we have, there's quite few, but there's limited amount. We can install more. To do it, we need to open the Huawei Health app, tap on devices right here, select our Huawei Watch 3 from the list of devices, and here we have watch faces category. Simply tap on more, and right here we have two categories. We have recommended and mine. If you tap on mine, you will have the list of watch faces installed on your watch already, right here. And if you tap on recommended, recommended, you have an app store right here, and you can basically download and install additional watch faces. Some of them you need to pay for, as you can see, and some of them are free. Scroll through the store, find the watch face you like to use. Let's find some free one, for example. Here we have some free ones. For example, this one. Tap on it and tap on install button to install it. And after the app is done installing, or rather watch face, is done installing, it's gonna be applied on our watch, as you can see. You can also install the watch faces simply by tapping the install button below them. You don't need to tap on it and tap on install. You can tap on install button. Like this. And now let's go to mine category. And the watch faces you installed, it should appear on this list right here. There we have it. We can change between them, for example. We can also remove these watch faces from our watch. To do it, you can tap on edit button. And here we have the X button next to watch face. You can tap on it and then tap OK to confirm. And then tap the check mark, like this. Or you can simply tap on watch face, tap on the bin icon, and then tap OK to remove it, like this. Okay. And that's how you install additional watch faces on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.